Guys, you must have seen today's video thumbnail while entering into the video. Yes, today I'm going to tell you about my experience of Clappingo. Other than Clappingo, what can we do for improving our English and we can practice at home also?
Okay, so see, if you want to improve your vocabulary or reading,
So guys, before starting today's video, I would request you to watch this video till end, and if you like the video, please hit that like button because it motivates me to make more and more videos. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video as much as you can. Guys, as I told you day before yesterday that I had booked a trial demo class at Clappingo. So yesterday there was my demo class and I had shared that demo class video at my YouTube channel also. I will share that link in the description box. You can check that out from there. So guys, the demo was of 15 minutes and tutor was really very cooperative and friendly. We discussed that how Clappingo works. So what I could understood from that discussion is that they get us practice on some predefined topics. They share some documents before the session, then we go through those documents and then we discuss at that particular topic. So what I got that this is their practicing criteria. Yeah, and I really appreciate it because practice is the only thing which can make us more confident and which will improve our spoken English. So guys, I would personally suggest that at least you should try Clappingo classes at least once. Their demo is also in 1 rupees only. You just need to have a contact number and email ID. So you will be signing up with that contact number, then you will get an OTP and then you just need to pay rupees 1 to them. And their payment method is also very easy. You can pay it via any card, debit or credit card. You can use net banking or you can use any wallet also. So guys, I suggest you to at least go for a demo class and if you like the demo class you can go for their subscription also. No, it's not paid at all. It's my personal experience which I am sharing with you because guys, we as a beginner need tutors. Guys, we made lots of mistake while speaking. I also make lots of mistake while speaking. Those may be grammatically or those may be while making any sentence. So tutor is the only person who can correct us without laughing on us. So it's my suggestion that at least you should go for the trial class. So guys, this is my overall experience with the Clappingo. Everything was good, but there was something which I missed. Yes, I would like to share that also. Guys, but I think that there should be a predefined demo structure that what a tutor is going to tell us in their demo session. There was not a predefined structure. They just told me that how they will proceed with the tuition classes and everything, but there was not a proper structure in a demo which should be there. And the second thing which I missed is that there is no tutor profile. We choose tutors only on their face value, and if we have watched any YouTube videos prior to our demo booking, then we search for that particular tutor and then we can select them. So guys, what I think that there should be a tutor profile explaining something about their studies or their experiences. This is my personal suggestion. Otherwise the overall experience was very good. I again suggest you to at least try one class at Clappingo. Guys, the second thing is I have heard about one more app, that is Cambly. I think that app has some native tutors over there and it's very popular also, but I think there is no demo trial available. I searched a lot about the Cambly free classes, but I could not find anything related to that. I could find only that there we can use some referral code and then we can get some free minutes and only then we can avail the free session. So guys, if any of you know about the referral code concept, please do text me in the comment box so that I can use that referral code and I can get 10 minutes at least for the trial session. Guys, so it's all about today's video. Guys, as you all know that today is my 10th day of 30 days spoken English challenge. Guys, trust me, only by practicing we beginners can improve our spoken English. Guys, practice a lot. If you are not able to find anyone whom you can practice with, please drop me an email at englishwithsarita@gmail.com and I will try to connect with you and we all together can practice our spoken English. Guys, hope you like today's video. If you like the video, please hit that like button because it motivates me to make more and more videos. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Catch you tomorrow at the same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.